Welcome to my workshop. As you can see here, I have all my little drawers that hold parts all the way across. Down here are my 3 8-foot long test track with crossovers in them. Some more areas for parts, my soldering iron, and over here some more parts and parts, and my computer where I keep some of my stuff, more parts. Back here is trains, passenger cars mostly, building kits up top. Welcome to my new workshop. And over in this corner where it's really bright is where my little layout's going to be, and down there is one of the babies. I hope you enjoyed.